Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside Tadabase. So a Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Tadabase is an amazing database application builder, and in this video I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a Webhook inside Tadabase and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So now to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for Tadabase as my trigger application, and the trigger event will be new record. So this trigger will start working whenever a new record will be added in Tadabase. So from over here you can select any other trigger event as per your requirement, but I am going to set up this trigger event for new record. So as I did that, over here you can see a webhook URL is given, and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully, because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Tadabase account with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my Tadabase account. So this over here is my Tadabase account, and here is the app that I've created by the name of Pab app. So now to build a connection between Tadabase and Pabbly Connect, I will go to the edit mode of this app. So over here, I will go to the automation section as per the instruction that has been given. So over here, I will go to outgoing webhooks, and now I'm going to add a new webhook. So here it says a webhook is a method of enabling apps to communicate with one another. With Tadabase, you can send webhooks to communicate with other external apps and web services. So over here, to build a connection between Pabbly Connect and Tadabase, I'm going to add a new webhook. So here I'm going to give the name as webhook, and I'm going to select the data table that I've created by the name of PC Connect. So once that is done, now moving to the URL part. So from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and over here I'm going to paste it. So once that is done, here I've selected the event as new record. So now as I've added a webhook URL in this field, so I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that the webhook has been added successfully. That means now whenever a new record will be created inside my Tadabase account, then automatically the details of that new record will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to the app, and now I'm going to take you to the table for which I've added the webhook. So over here you can see that it consists of the record ID, created at date and time, full name, email, and the mobile number. So over here in Pabbly Connect as well, you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I'm going to create a new record over here in my Tadabase account. So over here, I'm going to click on add new PC Connect. And now here, let's say that the first name is current. So here the last name is user. Moving to the email, that will be current user @pabblytudes.com. Now moving to the phone number, so this here will be the dummy phone number that I'm going to add. So here you can see that I have filled in the details for the record. So now I'm going to click on save. So over here you can see that a new record has been successfully added, and here are the details. So that means this record details would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect, and yes, over here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive one, because here you can see this here is the ID, this here is the phone number, here is the email address along with the last name and the first name. So that means I have got the record details over here in Pabbly Connect. So we have successfully set up a webhook inside Tadabase. That means now whenever a new record will be added, then automatically the details of that record will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So as I've successfully set up a webhook inside Tadabase, and just by going to this action window, I can select any action application of my choice, like where I want to send the data of this record. So this webhook setup was a successful one, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.